Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Radhika Tibrewal. Since you're already here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. So guys, I am back with another haul video, and also thank you so much for showing so much love on my previous clothing haul video which I did. That was Ajio one, and if you haven't checked that video out, I'll leave a link in the description box so you can watch later. Thank you so much for giving so much love to that video. So I'm back with another clothing haul today. So I bought few basic things from Zara. So Zara में ना sale चल रही थी, and I wishlisted some of their products which I really liked, but like sale was going to start at 9 p.m. and I opened the app. I think it was 9:01, I guess. I opened the app to order, but everything was out of stock. Literally everything was out of stock. I was so shocked with it. So जितने भी बचे कुछ items थे, I bought few of them which I'll show you guys today. I have got very basic tops, like daily use tops. And so without any further ado, let's directly jump into the basics. So these are the things I got from Zara. So starting off with the first product, this is what I got. This is a very basic top, tank top sort of top, and I got it in size L because L ही बाकी था. I think it fits pretty nicely only, so I don't have any problem with that. So I got this one, and it's in drip material. So it's priced at rupees 490, but I got it for rupees 390 only. So yeah, I like it. Moving on to the next top, this is what I got. This is in the brown color. So I got this top in brown color. It has a knot over here, which you can आप इसको छोटा भी कर सकते हो पुल करके, एंड इसको आप अगर चाहो तो बड़ा भी कर सकते हो टॉप को. सो इट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, and this is how it looks from front and from the back. And I got it in size M, and it's priced at rupees 790, but I got it for rupees 590, I guess. So yeah, moving on to the next top, this is what I got. I really like the color of the top and this neckline. I think it's called sweetheart neckline, I don't know, but I really like it. The only problem with this top is that I got it in L size because again L ही था stock में, and it's pretty loose for me. So maybe I'm gonna return this top because बहुत loose है, तो it's not fitting me perfectly. So yeah, but I really love the color of the top and the material. Everything is so good, but the only problem is the size. So yeah. Moving on to the next top, this is what I got. It's in white color. It has buttons over here, and it's also in drip material. I really like this top so much. You can pair this up with anything you like. It's a very basic top. Everyone should have a white top like this on her wardrobe. So yeah, I got it, and it's one of my favorite purchases. Moving on to the next product, this is what I got. This is a white crop top, and it's in drip material. It looks like this from the front and like this from the back, and it has a chain over here, so you can open the chain from upwards and also from the downwards here. So yeah, and it's priced at rupees 990, but I got it for rupees 790, I guess, and I got it in M size. So yeah. Moving on to the next top, this is what I got. It's similar to the one I showed you earlier, but in different color. So it is pinkish purplish color. I don't know what exactly the color is, but it's in pink and purplish tone, and it's the same as I showed you earlier. It's also in drip material, and I got it in size L, and I really like the color of this top. So yeah. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and both the white tops were my favorite. You guys tell me which one did you like the most in the comment section below. Also, I'll be coming up with more haul videos in the future because I have ordered few products from Urbanic and Myntra. Myntra में sale चल रहे थे, so I ordered so many products from them. So I'll be coming up with more haul videos. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Also don't forget to give a thumbs up. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys are healthy and safe. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.